I'm going to give you my best answer. Call us with your immigration questions, or what we say in the promo, getting answers.
Yes, I'm fine.
Sorry to keep you waiting.
I filed for VAWA last year.
Yes.
And they wrote back to me that they have seen that they have started on my case since August last year. And up to now, I've not heard from them. So I don't know what to do.
All right. So you filed the I-360. When was it filed? Give me the date.
I-360.
When? What's the date it was received by immigration?
On the letter they wrote to me was August last year.
August 2020.
That they have started working on my case.
No. Not when they started working on it. When was it filed? When did immigration receive the application?
I filed the application since June last year.
June 2020, your application went in.
June 2020.
Okay.
And they asked me to see a psychologist, which I did.
Nobody asked. One second. Immigration didn't ask you to see a psychiatrist. They wouldn't ask you to see a psychiatrist. They may have asked you for additional evidence, such as, are you going to a psychiatrist? Please send us a report. But they don't say go to a psychiatrist. No.
Okay. So I sent my report to them, and they wrote back that they have started working on my case since August last year, and up to now, I've not heard from them.
Sarah, I understand that, and you were waiting a long time to speak to me. But I'm going to ask you something. Please answer my question so I can help you.
Okay.
Okay? So I understand you're waiting on your VAWA case. And I understand that immigration sent you a request for evidence, and either your lawyer or the person helping you suggested submit a report from a psychiatrist, which you did. I understand all of that. You filed an application. The initial VAWA application was filed in June of 2020. Is that correct? That's when immigration first knew that you were filing a VAWA application. Did you file an adjustment application with that?
Yes,
so
I did.
You paid $1,225 to the government for a filing fee?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
And did you get a work permit?
Yes.
Okay. Did you get travel permission, advance parole?
No.
You want to travel?
Yes, I want to travel.
Okay, so you should have filed what's called an I-131 application for advance parole. You could do that right now so you can travel. You can go home and come back. Don't stay out for more than 4 weeks at a time. And
okay.
And did you get something called a prima facie determination?
No.
You did not. Okay.
I did not.
Okay.
They only wrote me that they have started working on my case.
What did you, can I ask a question? Besides a report from a psychologist, which we don't even know what the psychologist said, but let's assume psychologist says that a psychologist is saying that you've been the victim of extreme emotional abuse. Besides that report,
yes.
What else did you submit to immigration to prove your case?
Nothing.
Nothing. Okay. And did you submit evidence that you and your spouse live together?
He has gone away with everything.
Okay.
He just abandoning me and left.
Okay. So, Sarah, okay, this does not sound promising for you. I'm being frank. Okay? Submitting one report from a psychologist with no additional evidence doesn't win you a case. As a matter of fact, immigration looked at your initial filing and did not even provide a prima facie determination, which says that on its face, it seems like you have a good case. Now,
can I say something, sir?
You've said a lot, but you want to keep talking. You want to keep talking. It's your dime. You're better off for me to talk so I can give you advice. But if you want to just get things off your chest, I'll listen.
Okay, continue talking.
No,
sir.
You talk.
Please talk.
No, tell me what you want to say. I'm here.
Yes. On our apartment, they discovered the apartment say they cannot include his name on the apartment.
Okay,
so
now you're getting all right. Let me talk now. Your excuses of why his name is on the apartment lease or not is not relevant to the overall arching theme I am telling you, which is you did not submit enough evidence to prove either you were in a bona fide marriage with this man or were the victim of extreme emotional abuse. Him abandoning
And we have a bill together.
Okay, one bill together does not prove a marriage. Okay, neither does one.
And we have an account statement together.
Okay, an account statement together and a bill together and a psychologist report does not prove a VAWA case. Yeah. I'm just being frank with you. What I think, I don't know who's advising you, okay, but you should be happy so far they haven't denied you yet. What I think you should do at this point is, do you have copies of everything that you submitted?
Yeah.
Okay. If you have copies of everything you submitted, I think the best thing is to have a second opinion. Let's take a look at all of the evidence you submitted. Now, you filed everything last June. They're not going to get to review your case probably for another 9 months or so, because it hasn't even been pending a year yet. So they usually start looking at your case anywhere from 18 to 24 months from the time that you filed. So we have time to make a better presentation of the extreme emotional abuse that you suffered. I would hold on 1 second. Hold on. Thanks for watching. For more Bradshaw Live, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.